Hello everyone. If you are new to create an online store, we need some assistance because we have some doubts in our mind. What are the points they are following on the existing stores? What are other sellers are doing? So this type of questions we have in our mind. So we need some sources to view others' websites. That's why I created this video. In this video, we will see how to view directory of Shopify stores. The first one I suggest you to see sellercentral.io. In this website, you can get a massive amount of existing Shopify stores. See there? Actually, it's not a free service, it's a paid service. I just share some good directories to view Shopify stores only in this video. You can see almost all countries listed in this website. Almost all countries. Years, more than 3 years, 1 year, 2 years, old sites. All years you can see. A sorting link, a Facebook followers, product wise, relevance, Instagram followers wise. In this site, in this directory, you can see 6 lakhs top Shopify stores are available to view. So from these stores, you can get an idea what are the important points we need to add in our new store. So I suggest you to use sellercentral.io. Check some sites relevant to your niches before starting your own store. The second method, you can see other sites, other directories by Google method. Just simply a Google search option. In Google search, just type site myshopify.com. myshopify.com. You just enter. See the list of the sites. These all domains are included myshopify.com. How much? There is a lot of, you can see the thousands of sites. One disadvantage in this method is some popular stores are running through under own domains. That stores are not displayed here. But if they run a custom domain, also they have their own My Shopify domain itself. But the My Shopify domain is hidden and it will be redirected to their custom domain. So all myshopify.com domains will be listed in the search result. Okay. See, we can see other stores easily by this way. The next method, you can see other stores by IP address method. Just go to this IP address, you can see the list of stores already created in Shopify. Let me check. Just you go to that particular IP address. 0.38.0. One second, I will copy and paste there. Okay. Copy. Let me see. Okay. Yes. See here. These are the web stores used by Shopify. Okay. So you can use this method itself. Next method, storeleads.app. It's a premium directory. You can use this option also. storeleads.com. The main advantage using store leads is it gives a result not only by Shopify, it gives a result e-commerce stores across 34 platforms. So it's very best for creating lead generation, data enrichment and market research. So you can use this directory itself. The next one, the final one, I suggest to see the exchangemarketplace.com. It's a Shopify exchange. You can buy the Shopify stores, already created Shopify stores on this directory. exchangemarketplace.com. See here, we can see the lot of stores created and they are listed to sell. In this directory we will give another one advantage. We can see how much that particular store already earning and what are the inventory value and what type of product they are selling, what are the marketing plans they done till now. So these data can be helpful to plan our new online store. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, just post in the comment box. We will see you on next video. Until that, thank you. Bye.